It's your favorite time again. Howdy, partner. Doom scrolling Twitterooni's PulseChain Giga. He's replying to someone saying, what is this pie poop these guys have been going on about? So, I'm trying to follow it, kinda. I appreciate Mr. Dirty Crypto. We love your comments and posts and announcements. So, with pDAI, remember, friends, MakerDAO, I guess, was broken. And you can't mint pDAI anymore, I think. So, now they're making a MakerDAO Replacement, which Richard Hart hinted in 2022. And not even hinted, he actually said someone's making a MakerDAO Replacement. He actually said that. It's on video, 2022. I played the video many times. So now we think, we don't know, no one knows anything. We think that this is a controlled creation to upgrade MakerDAO. Upgrade it how? I don't know. Maybe allow PulseChain core coins to be put in. TWAP Oracle, I don't know. We're guessing, all right? People will run with stuff. We don't know. Remember, it's confirmation bias. If you're long, you see this as positive. If you're sideline, you see it as a scam. Welcome to markets, right? Giga, I have not looked in a long time, but I'm certain it was a MakerDAO fork, Pi paying the issuance token, pAI. Then you can deposit pDAI for collateral. Too long, didn't read. Maker, but with an anonymous developer and has full control, and it's not pDAI. So I guess it would mint pAI, Pi. So how does the pDAI thing fit in? No one knows, dude. No one knows. We don't know the story, friends. We're holding a lot of people. I know, man. I know, friends. It's just like the XRP guys. XRP guys think you're going to wake up one day and XRP is going to be $58. They literally think you're going to wake up to an announcement by the US Fed that they've added XRP to the balance sheet. Because it's funny, right? But also, pDAI guys believe we wake up tomorrow peg. You know? So that's why I look, friends, I hope we do peg all the time. It's just I've personally prepared for us there to be no instant peg. I'm mentally prepared. This is 2029, if it's 2030. I'm mentally prepared for waves and scamming and fake pump and dump narratives and what. I'm mentally prepared for that. That's it. The name of the game, survival, man. Trevor, it's due for one of them nasty red candles that kind of sent crypto nuts in 2020. Let us pray. So Trevor, good post, sir. He's talking about the Dow Jones stock market. That's what I've noticed. Everyone, Trader Main, Twink Brothers, everyone in crypto, Copen, every single person believes stocks are going to have a big crash. And it's going to be like like a zombie virus stuff. Everyone thinks this stuff is coming. All right. Might happen. I don't know. I'm not in control. Look at the deep state scum. They're all enjoying pizza on Jeffrey Epstein's island. I don't know. But combating that is a melt up chance. Donald Trump delayed the spending last year in Year of the Snake. Now we're moving in Year of the Horse. There's going to be $2,000 stimulus. There's going to be the tax refund. They want to run the economy hot. Rates are coming down. We'll see what the net effect is. You know what I mean? There's only bad stuff that's been happening and everything's a scam. Bitcoin implosion. $40,000 Bitcoin in the next 8 weeks. Here's why.
I pulled every credible analyst prediction for Bitcoin. We're going to 40K in the next 8 weeks.
There you go, man. There are no credible analysts, bro. First 4 letters of analysts are anal. We don't know anything, okay? We don't know anything. Just assume things keep getting worse because they just have kept getting worse. But I stay long, okay? I stay long, friends. I haven't liquidated a position. I'm still staying long. Don't care. If we go lower, I don't give a shit. Crypto's not at 10 trillion. Not interesting to me. I don't think gold's at 35 trillion and silver's at 5. So they're both like 40 trillion and crypto is only 2.2. This is like an abomination. And you're going to have AI agents and they're going to use the money of crypto. So it makes no sense to me. I'm going to keep holding. It does make sense. I told you we had a lost cycle. They're manipulating us down. JP Morgan, they can go suck a fat one. I miss KatieeP. I wish she would come back to us. She was one of the smartest and most hardworking community members and deserves this coming bull more than many of us. I miss you, Katie. I think Katie blocked me for pDAI stuff. Yeah. Hope she's well out there. It's tough, friend. It's tough being a female, especially in crypto, because everyone's won a punching bag, and just it's man, everyone's vicious to each other. But I get it, man. That's crypto. You know, I don't ever tell people stop being naughty. Stop it. Stop being naughty. Whatever, dude. Whatever. But if you be naughty to me, I'll put you in your place. I'll call you a little blue pill cuck. Okay, I'll go to take your 5th jab. I don't care. They're just words on the internet. It's what do we expect people to sound like when you've wiped them out 95% of their value? Of course, it's way easier for a lot of people in NPC land to just think, oh, someone else is to blame. 70% of the population just follow consensus stuff of everything. So it's programmed in default way of thinking. But you have to take responsibility for yourself. All right, and we do. And we're trying to look at long-term stuff, and none of us actually control all the big manipulation. So you have a choice. You can click sell and leave, write yourself up, or you can stay. I'm staying. Ian Carroll. So this is kaboom. This is Alex Jones saying that Attorney General Pam Bondi just unleashed the full Epstein files. Ian Carroll, this is not true. I've gotten so many messages asking about this because of people like Alex posting. No files were released. Alex's name was on the list that was released, along with Marilyn Monroe and Janis Joplin. Alex has become one of the most unserious people on the internet. It's sad to watch. Alex Jones, friends, just to let you know, he is compromised. So unfortunately now. Now, Alex Jones was one of the OGs. He friends is wild. He actually videotaped the Bohemian Grove where they're worshipping the owl god. He actually videotaped it. And, you know, presidents go there. I think Richard Nixon, it was Richard Nixon or Ronald Reagan. They said the Bohemian Grove was just, it literally just said a bunch of gay dudes having a lot of non-family friendly actions over there. He never wanted to go there. Yeah, he's actually on he's got an audio tape of him saying that, right? Yeah, some audio tape. But also Alex, you know, being compromised now. You're not surprised. How's he allowed to live? He does cover things, but he really dropped the ball with Charlie Kirk. We know it was Mossad involvement. We know it was, friend. You know, like you can't be in blue pill normie cuck land forever. You're 160 nil down to red pill supercycle. Uzi, crypto has ruined my life, honestly. I'm 40 going to 41. Down to my last 2 soul. No job willing to hire me. Caught in the walls of Launchpad that destroyed all the volume of anything to run organically. Nowadays it's purely insider plays or cabaled tokens. Just to remind you, friends, it was a season meta of 2024. Retailers join in. They dump everything else. They join in. They think there's money here. And then they get grifted by LA Vape Cabal. They get grifted by, you know, just everyone in LA Vape Cabal. Orange's Potion Alpha, which Potion no alpha. But congratulations, you're paying someone, you know, 500 grand a week to give you 0 alpha and you get dumped on. So that's what you learned. It's very sad. You know, I only made 7,000 plus videos now. I don't even know what video count I'm up to. Let's check it out. Just was warning everyone a long time, but it's hard. I totally get it, man. You gotta go through your own battles here. I'm up to video 6,546. Wow, congratulations. So this is just what happens, man. Every cycle is something different. I'm in debt of 55k, borrowing from friends and family in a span of 7 months. Not sure where to even start with my life, feeling depressed. Should have never started crypto in the first place. Look at the bright side. You have family and friends who are willing to help. I don't know what the answer is, sir. I don't know. Okay, 5 years, lost cycle. We've been going down. We're getting dumped on. I hope it gets better. And that's all I really got. Hope. You know, I really hope it gets better. We'll see. Check this out, Mr. Pui. Am I saying this correctly? PMaker gained 700% overnight in a bear market. Just be careful of FOMOing. Mr. Pui, you're supposed to be knowledgeable. You know that simply finding a token with the ticker PMaker is not proof of anything. What makes you think this random PMaker token is special? I think that's more PulseChain, P token, friendship going on out here. Professor Jiang leaks documents proving Hitler collaborated with Zionists to force Jews into Palestine. Wow. I was going to watch this Sneeko out here. I guess everyone's learning, friends. They've lied to us a lot about history, you know, and all these other stuff. You're not surprised at this point. We built crypto for this reason. All of it is money printer controlled and operated. Okay? That's how all the bribes are done. Everybody's paid by the money printer. We know this. So we know why the crypto market went down this much in Feb. It's like a self-proclaimed prophecy. Folks who still believe in the 4-year cycle sold. The drop happened fast because of the ETF selling bulk. Yep. There you go. You know, more Dumperoonis. Isn't that great? Here you have Hans. This is an ugly M on the S&P 500. So everyone believes S&P is getting ready to roll over. And it's just hitting resistance here. And that the is coming. That's what everyone thinks. And they're going to print money. And they're going to start the next thing. That's what everyone's waiting for. This is Jizzlane Maxwell, friends. Jizzlane Maxwell, it's not her in jail. They put something else. Looks like a dude. Looks like the bankless guys. Can prison change someone's appearance? Yes, but can it make your nose shorter and change your facial structure? Man, structure. Jizzlane Maxwell got body switched as well. Is that not even her? Man, that is wild. It's all real, bro. It's all real. Here we have Sir Nathaniel. What is this? Critical mass approaching with P-Maker. Damn, feels like we're sending a nuke to Mexico. Interesting. Yeah, man. I think everyone's just tired of everything, literally. Everyone's tired. So, Jeffrey Epstein had a private desert kingdom with a mansion, an airstrip, young girls being trafficked. The law enforcement searched his island, his New York mansion, from Paris to Palm State. Just to let you know, friends, more conspiracy supercycle confirmed. There was a man. He was the house manager for Jeffrey Epstein. In the early 2000s, he leaked and confessed to the fancy banana investigators and the US government, Token Intelligence Agency, and the deep state, of course. He told them everything Jeffrey Epstein was doing, all the lollipop trafficking, abusing children, the rituals. He said there's an island, they do all this stuff, Pedophile Island. He told everything. He gave them the names. This is, friends, I'm just going to tell you, dude. If you are, I'm going to ask you now, if you're a blue-pilled normie cuck who sits in a hotel cuck chair, I'm going to ask you kindly to leave. And please block your ears because you're not ready for this one. So the house manager leaked this to the fancy banana investigators. He gave them the black book. He got everything down. Guess what happened to him? I'll tell you what happened, okay? After telling the US government everything Jeffrey Epstein was doing with all the evidence, they arrested him. Yep. They arrested him. And they did nothing to Jeffrey Epstein. They let him go. What do you think that says? The government's in on it. It's all part of the plan. They literally arrested the guy who leaked it. Yep. Do you want to know why they arrested him? Guess what was the reason? Stealing property. Because he took like one of the books. He took evidence. So they arrested him for that. They put him in jail. He's dead now, by the way. He died shortly after when he got out. Yeah. I bet they killed him because when he got out, they were probably tracking him. And he was probably talking to news reporters to say like, hey, there's an island over here. I have all the evidence. Yeah, he's dead. Coconut Intelligence Agency and the fancy banana investigators knew about this. But the year was 2000, early 2000s, dude. They knew about this the whole time. They knew about it. So, you tell me what's going on. Sounds like a red pill super cycle to me. Like, subscribe, belly button, or catch you soon.